So here we have my new gardening boots. They're made of the same material that the Crocs are made out of. And the most important thing about boots is that they keep your feet warm, and these are very well insulated, and they come with some little felt insole, which is really good. I glued it in there so it doesn't move about. If you don't glue them, usually they get scrunched up when you put your feet inside it. And the second most important thing about boots is the ease of getting them on and off. Those ones have little sort of side handles to pull them on. But these boots are just so good that your feet slip into them. You don't even need to pull them on. They're just absolutely fantastic. I'll just show you. There we go. Look, man, no hands. Easy to get on, and equally easy to get off. Incredible. So as I said, they've got these felt insoles down the bottom, which are very good insulation, and these cleats, I suppose, for pulling them on if you had troubles getting them on, but I can put them on without using my hands at all, which are really great. Soles of them are like this, nice cleated soles like the soles on a tractor, when you're out walking you don't slip, and all one piece, and Crocs never sort of break when there's lots of frost and below zero. I think it's the material that they're made of, whereas all the rubber boots that I've got, if you wear them in the winter and you're out in the frost, then they soon crack and then they're letting in water, but these are just very good. So that's them, my gardening boots and winter boots. They're absolutely fantastic. And I know that lots of gardeners are they're continually fighting with their boots to get them on and off, but these are just so easy. It's just such a pleasure to put them on and off. So that's them. I think they're made in Poland, but fantastic, really good boots.